Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US indices, gold, silver, crude oil, euro and GBP USD. I will also cover Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video, so stay tuned. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,450. Today Dow Jones made low of 34,420 and the high is 34,565. Interestingly, Dow Jones is still trading in weak zone, so let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Dow Jones resistance stands at 34,570. Dow Jones support at 34,300. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 14,022 after making a high of 14,050. It also made low of 13,994. Currently it is trading 14,021. Interestingly, it is trading in positive zone. So let's quickly find out the resistance support. Current support in Nasdaq stands at 13,980. Nasdaq resistance would be 14,120. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq break 980 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,800 and 13,500. Let's quickly find out S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 42.46 after making a high of 42.56. Interestingly, it is trading in weak zone despite making a new high. Let's quickly find out resistance and support. Resistance stands at 42.61. Support at 42.18. Currently it is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. And if S&P break 42.61, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise we might see lower levels in S&P today. Let's quickly jump to the commodities which are crashing today. Let's quickly jump to the gold prices. Here we have, if you have watched my morning video which I update on my Hindi channel, link is in description, you must be knowing that since morning, since gold opened today, it is in weak zone and it is crashing and making new lows almost every hour. Currently it is trading 1848. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Gold resistance stands now at $1866. Gold support would be $1837. Currently gold trend is weak, so avoid going for buy. But if gold breaks 66 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1890. Let's quickly jump to silver, then we will see euro, GBP USD and cryptocurrencies. This is silver chart. It is also making new lows. Currently it is trading 27.53. Current low is 27.50 and making new lows almost every hour, just like gold. It is also in weak zone, so let's quickly find out resistance and support. Silver resistance now stands at $27.92. Silver support $27.35. As said, it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to euro and then we will see GBP USD. After that we will come to cryptocurrencies. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 21.14 after making a high of 21.24. Interestingly, it is in weak zone as of now. Euro resistance at 21.20. It needs to sustain at least 30 to 60 minutes above 21.20. Support now stands at 20.80. Currently it is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy till it is not breaking 21.20 and not sustaining above that level. Let's have a look at GBP USD because many subscribers were asking GBP USD levels. This is GBP USD chart. Currently it is trading 41.09. It is trading in weak zone. Resistance now stands at 41.30. Support at 40.70. Currently it is on weak zone till market is sustaining below 41.30. If market break 4130, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise, we are looking for more lower levels. Let's quickly jump to the Bitcoin. Here we have Bitcoin is trading almost 1.5% up since last night's closing. Elon Musk again tweeted that Tesla will again start accepting Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is firing on that news only. So resistance support is here. Bitcoin support now stands at $38,000. Bitcoin resistance would be $40,500. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell, but if Bitcoin break $38,000 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Bitcoin to test around $35,000, and even $32,000 is possible. Let's jump to the Ethereum before concluding this video. And if you are still watching this video without liking, then please do like this video. This is Ethereum chart. Currently it is trading 2493. Today's support stands at 2390. Support at $2390. Resistance would be 2560. Currently it is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For regular market updates, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.